Hello, fellow Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is November 10th, and that means there are 45 days left until Christmas. Do you have a traditional theme that you decorate with for Christmas every year, or do you like to change it up every year? There have been many popular trends over the years. The nature-inspired minimalism trend, which emphasizes simplicity and organic materials to bring a calm, rustic feel to a holiday decor. Think Scandinavian-inspired elements like bare branches, pine cones, and simple greenery like eucalyptus and cedar, along with natural wood ornaments and candles. This look focuses on muted colors like white, creams, greens, and browns, creating an understated elegance. This trend is especially popular for people who want an eco-friendly, sustainable holiday setup that's beautiful without being overly busy. Remember, the next time you hear my voice, and if you paid close attention you heard my cat in this podcast, we will all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.